You love it. And this is part two. I'm gonna talk about um the parts. Um, Today I'm gonna explain the locomotive parts again. Anyway, um, there's a horn up here. They honk their horn every time when they go to the railroad crossing. They have to honk their horns, so it gives you the warning to let you know the train's coming. So anyway, um, there's a fuel tank right there. The fuel tank is carrying diesel fuel. That's that's what locomotives runs off of. Because diesel fuel is very strong, powerful. Gas gas is not. So I don't know much about it. So um, there's a thing where the smoke comes out. I don't know if you can hold on. There it is. Okay. There's a there's a thing where the smoke comes out when the engine like probably when it goes fast or start getting ready to go or whatever. They blow the smoke coming out every time so the engine doesn't, it keeps the engine from getting on fire. Uh, Helps the engine not getting on fire. So anyway, there's a there's the needle where it tells you how much diesel fuel they used right now. I don't know. I can't tell because I'm way too far. So anyway, um, there's nah, that's a fuel tank. Sorry. I don't know if you can see it, but there on the front of the locomotive, there is a lid where they put the sand in there, and the sand, that's what makes the wheels move, so it keeps the wheels from slipping. It's like they put sand in it so it keeps the wheels moving, so it moves the wheels so it doesn't slip and causes sparks. So anyway, there's the stairs where you could climb up inside the cab. Um, when you climb up the stairs, I got like when I do that, I have to climb forward with two hands so you wouldn't fall. But I made sure I used two hands at a time. So anyway, there's the wheels. There's the wheels down there. Uh, the wheels are made of metal. They're very made of steel. Anyway, there's the plower, the snow plower. I'm sorry, snow plow. Um, it keeps the snow off the railroad track, so the track doesn't get frozen and icy. So anyway, there's a coupling. Coupling is like a hook where it hooks all the train cars all together and engines too, and that's what that hook does. It's a very type of hook. It's made of like iron, steel, metal, and for the snow plower, they have to use it like they have to protect the locomotive so it doesn't get a wreck if it crashes a car. They use the snow plower if that happens when they crash the street cars by accident. So so the locomotive doesn't get a wreck. That's why the snowplower is like very protection to the locomotive. So anyway, there's there's a lid right there where you can feel the fuel tank, where you can feel the, I meant fill, sorry. There's a lid where it fills up the fuel tank to put diesel fuel in there, and that's what they run off of. Okay, so anyway, there's the vent. I don't know if it is or not, but I'll look up on Google about this. I haven't studied it yet. Yeah, so anyway, there's a worker car right there. That is a Kansas City Southern worker truck. They're checking on the tracks, make sure the tracks don't break. That's the part of their job. And so anyway, let's see what I'm gonna say. Anyway, there's a frame right there. I'll zoom the. There's a frame right there where you can where it holds the wheels. The frame. It's actually called trucks, by the way. I've seen it online. It says trucks on Google. So the truck frame is a type of part where it carries the wheels and the body of the locomotive. So it gives them more powerful and more weight to it. They put like grease to it between the wheels, so the wheels didn't get grounded and eaten, get broke, cause sparks. You know, like what happens if it causes sparks? Like if they stop the brakes faster, the wheels can drag the rails and it could cause sparks because they can't stop too fast. They can only stop about a half mile. That's how long it takes for the train to stop. So anyway, okay, there's I don't know if you can see the door, but on the front of the cab, there's a door on the front. So you can come in through the door anytime. I mean, not just me. I meant the train crews. I'm sorry. So, there's another one. There's another steps where you can see it come, where you can climb up on the back of the locomotive too. So anyway, let's see what else I'm thinking. Okay, there's a headlight there, right there. Headlight, very especially dark time. They use it during dark time. So anyway, there's the stickers up there. Oh, sorry, let me check the camera. The stickers. The stickers on the locomotive, they glow in the dark, so people can see them at night. There's that one and that one. So anyway, there's a Kansas City Southern Mexico one. That's my first time I seen it. Wow. So anyway, I think this is a -9. but the number says 4810. I think I don't know. It's hard to tell. So anyway, that's in this demonstration. I gotta cut the video.